Right, I've got 1 hour to get this house looking a little bit better. I've got so much to do today and I don't have time. Well, I did have time until I sat down and watched Twin Paranormal and I was like, I'm going to chill. I had no motivation whatsoever. And then all of a sudden I was like, oh, I've got motivation. So I'm like, right, I need to get on this. So here we go. We're going to go into the front room and we're going to try and clear up as best we can because it's become yet again a dumping ground where it's like, oh, sort it later. I just want to set my backside down and relax for a bit. But you can't relax when you're surrounded by mess. So I'm going in today. So like tonight, I can have a nice chilled out time. How is all my bum holios? How are you all doing? How is one? One's good. Yeah, one's all right. I'm feeling okay. I seem to go from no motivation whatsoever to suddenly, boom, I've got loads. And I don't know why, but every opportunity I get, I'm just going to go with it. So the reason I've only got an hour is because I'm supposed to be going out and doing things before the kids come out from school. And whereas at the moment I don't drive, so I'm desperate to get back on the road. Everywhere I go is either bus or walk. And if I walk down to the shops, my local shops, it's like a half an hour round trip. Depends how long I spend in there, parading around Sainsbury's. I do love Sainsbury's. But I've also got to post some stuff because I've started listing stuff on my Vinted, if anyone's interested. All those new clothes I got from Shein, just whacked most of them on there. The blouse with the black stitching went within minutes. I've got so much to list on there, it's ridiculous. But here we go. We're going to go into the sofa first because it's really bugging me because every time I sit on it, I think to myself, I've not hoovered under here in over a week. Is that mad? But I think about what could be under there. And not only that, with this infestation of spiders we are getting. And a lot of you have said that you've been getting the same, like you're getting big ones, normally around sort of September time, but we're getting them now. What is going on? They're massive. I'm not joking when I say they're massive. They're huge. So big you can hear them. You can hear them walking around like they have rights. They don't have rights to be in here. Anyway, there's no grand job here. There's no like everything's going to be looking immaculate, gorgeous and freshly redone. It's literally I've got an hour and I'm doing the best I can so that when Nick comes home from work, he's going to be like, oh, you've been busy today. Have I? I've been sat on my backside. I've had 4 cups of teas and 3 coffees this morning. Yeah. And a nice Marmite bagel. The Marmite bagel will just hit the spot. But yeah, I've just like splits the place so it looks like I've done a hell of a lot more than what I have. But it's just because time goes so quickly. Does anyone else find this? Like you look at the clock, you're like, oh, so I've got a few hours. And before you know it, you're like, oh, blimey. I better get me skates on. I found a cracker under here with butter on it. Yeah, it had gone literally, the cracker had gone soft, the butter's gone hard. And what's that about? Really disgusting. That can only be Elliot. 100% that is Elliot that's done that because he's got a thing for butter crackers at the moment. He can't stop eating them. But anyway, the Hoover is sucking up everything that is living its life under here. And I don't know why, but I've always been bugged by this. This sofa, the seats don't fit properly on there. Really annoys me. Yeah, I'll change these little bird boys soon enough. I will change them, but they're not top of my priority at the moment. There's more things in life. I don't know why I just loomed in there. Maybe it's to pause the camera. Editing skills, Gabby. Look at you go. Anyway, going to suck up all the dust, any cobwebs that are parading around. Daddy Longlegs, don't mind them. I don't mind a daddy longlegs. A daddy longlegs is fine. But the big black crunchy ones, you can think again. Oh, I shared a channel yesterday on my posts. And if any of you saw it and went over there, good for you. Good for you. But if you haven't seen it, I'm going to link her channel down below again. She's called At Home Girl. I've been following her on Instagram for a long time and she does really well at there. Her reels are great. I love them. She's got a voice as well. Oh, I love her voice. You know, some accents just get you. Her accent gets me. I don't know where you're from. I'm so sorry if you're watching this. Are you up like Liverpool? It's not Liverpool, is it? Newcastle? Oh, terrible. But I love it. Mop just deciding to fall on me there. But yeah, I'm linking her channel down below. She's just come over to YouTube. She's blessing us with her presence because she's always been on TikTok and Instagram and she's come over. And I'm really hoping that her channel does really well because I love her stuff. But Get on with some video. I want to see some videos. Yes, some longer ones. That's what I want to see. Go on, get on it, at home girl. At your home, girl, you must do some videos. Yes. Putting my little attachment on the end here. This is my worktop attachment, and I'm going in the bread bin because there seems to be a bit of chocolate cake in there, and I don't know why. I will say that my other half should not be allowed to free roam the kitchen because it's diabolical. On the 13th of March, he made a cake, right? I'm finding that cake everywhere. How does it get in the bread bin? How does it get behind the bread bin? How does it get behind and underneath the toaster? It's everywhere. And he's like, oh, I thought I cleared it up. But you know, the day after, I went out in the kitchen, and because he made it in the evening, I went out in the kitchen the next day, and I was like, Nick, there's cake mix everywhere. It was all up the doors. It was all over the dishwasher. It was literally cake mix everywhere. I spent ages cleaning it. It was like, I thought I cleaned it. I'm like, are you serious? God knows what kind of infestation you would live in if I didn't live here. I mean, I know it's a bit of a cluttered mess at the moment in my house. That's because I've got endless DIY jobs that I haven't finished. So that's my fault, and I get that. But filth, I can't take. A little bit of, you know, things out of place now and again. Yes, it grates me, but not so much as filth. Cake mix splattered all over the place. Come on, you're having a laugh. You are having a laugh. I can't wait to get out of here and sort out my garden. The reason I can't do it is because I can't get to the tip. So everything is collecting out here. I've got furniture sitting in my garden like some sort of, I don't know what. My garden looks like the tip. And it needs to go to the tip. And I can't get a skip because the car's still sat on the driveway. And that's supposed to be going today. And is it gone? Is it heck? It was meant to be gone on Friday. Did it go then? No. Oh, it'll go over the weekend. Latest Monday. Well, the Monday has come and it's the latest. And now you're telling us Tuesday. You are taking the absolute mick. That's what you are. But anyway, washing's going out because it's another lovely, glorious day, darling. It's a glorious day. And one's putting out one's laundry because there's a nice wind as well. Look at the mess. Look at it. And the green that's accumulating again on the patio. Now, can you imagine how this would have looked if I didn't hose this down? Jet wash it. Can you hear Chase snoring? He's snoring really loudly. He's grumbling on the side of the sofa where I'm sat. I'm trying to watch the other half of Twin Paranormal. I've been to the shop. I've done what I'm supposed to do. The boys are coming out of school any second now, and I've got to go down in a minute to go and pick up Elliot. There's not enough hours in the day, I'm telling you. But what can we get done in an hour? Quite a bit at the moment. I'm quite chuffed with this because I gave myself this hour and I was like, right, Gabby, you are not going to stop. You are literally going to flow through this chaos and you're going to get it cleaned up once and for all. Underneath Chase's bed is absolutely disgusting because anything he brings in from the garden ends up under there. Sometimes he likes to find food. Like if the boys leave a plate, like for instance last night, Nick did a roast dinner for Mother's Day and it was beautiful. Apart from the stuffing, he ruins the stuffing. I'm just going to say it. And that wasn't because he did anything wrong. He just brought the wrong one. I like sage stuffing. It's got to be sage. He brought a pork stuffing. I was like, what's it? I said, what have you done to it? And he went, I haven't done anything. I said, what one is it? He said, it's a pork one. And I was like, oh no. Oh no. You never mess with my stuffing. That's the one thing on my roast dinner plate that has to be sage. But yeah, why did I say about this? Right, the chicken. Yeah, so the boys left their, one of the boys left the plate on his bed and he was getting himself ready because he wanted to go out and hang with his mates. If you could see me, it's like finger mates, you know, because he wasn't. He was going to see a girl and we know it. He's hanging out with a girl. She's absolutely adorable. But anyway, and I say he's hanging out with a girl like it's like, you know, there's something, there's like a shocker, but I know it's not just hanging out with a girl. I know he's got a girlfriend. But anyway, so he left the plate there, went to go and get ready. And what does Chase do? Goes in there, nabs the last bit of chicken, drags it across the floor, runs into his bed and stores it there. He starts nosing it under the pillow and I'm like, you are rancid, dog. You are rancid. So I had to fish that out. Gravy was spread everywhere and clean that up. I mean, it's beggars belief. That's what it is. Look, I've got endless cereal boxes in here and I wanted to put the toasty machine away because we rarely use it. Well, the only person who really uses it is Nick. But does he put it back? Does he, Al? No, he doesn't. He just leaves it on the side. And I'm like, where you got that from? You know that's where it goes back in. Yeah, no, I'll do it later. Yeah, do ya? You don't. You just like, you come home from work and it's still sat there. So I'm doing it. Granted, he does go to work, but at the same time, can you please just pick up after yourself just a little bit? Just not asking a lot, is it? Am I asking a lot? I mean, I work from home. The problem with working from home is you're seen as you ain't been out to work. That's how it's seen. If anyone works from home, even if you're not working like YouTube, social media, anything like that, if you're working from home, say, I don't know, you're doing insurance calls or anything like that, or you're doing people's tax forms and whatnot, anything. If you work from home, do you feel and get treated like you don't go out to work? It's like, I'm still doing my bit, you absolute bum wipe, with hairs stuck to that wipe and dangleberries to match, because I'm still doing stuff. And not only that am I doing stuff to work, I'm also clearing up behind you, you slob. Yes, I am. Anyway, the bins are absolutely rammed and I don't know what I'm going to do. I've got to wait another 3 days before they're collected. I find myself dotting things about like, oh, I'll take that. Oh, I'll just wedge it down the side. And then when the day comes, I'll like pile it high and hope they take them. Just chucking a load of stuff that was removed from my bathroom in there. And this is the weighing scales and there's cake mix all over it. Cocoa powder, flour, cake mix stuck. So cleaning that off because otherwise it would just stay there like that for eternity. I reckon if I left that on the side, it'd be like it this time next year. Actually, no, it'd be there until he makes his next cake, which is May. So it will be there until May the 26th to be precise, or 27th, not 27th, or 17th if he decides to make me a cake. Because that's when my birthday is. Yeah, yes. But anyway, state of that cloth, that's going in the wash. Oh, I love those cloths I got from where did I get them from? Shein. I love them. I've still got my shelving set there. I haven't got around to do that either. Yeah, I'll do it. I've got my hour right now. I'm in my power hour. Go, Gabby, go. And I'm still doing stuff for my other channel as well, which isn't cleaning. So if you're interested in stuff like behind the scenes of my cleaning videos and what I get up to on the daily basis and other shenanigans, then head over there. Yeah, head over because it's a bit more chill. You know, it's not so frantic. Some people say that they mute my videos just to watch them. I don't understand it. Because I find my videos so boring. So boring. And I know that I am a bit annoying when I speak, but I can't imagine having nothing. I mean, if I was to put music, it's just boring. I can't stand that. That's what me and that channel I was telling you about, me and At Home Girl, we were saying that I can't stand it when you're watching a video and you get like 3 minutes or less than that. You get like half a minute of talking and then all of a sudden it's just like music and you're like, I don't want that. Everyone's different. Everyone likes different things. And some people don't like talking at all. Some people just like music. Some people like the sound of everything getting cleaned. Honestly, if I was to... The reason I don't do sounds in my videos of like what's actually happening is because to get me motivated, I have to listen to Sabaton. And I know that sounds really mental. It sounds really, really mad. But that's the only thing that keeps me going in the background is to be listening to them so I can just be there. You know? Like, yes... I have to... Can you hear him snoring? It's so funny. It's so loud. I need to find somewhere to put this PlayStation because it's just sat down here. To be honest, I need to replace it because it beeps all the time. It overheats. The fan whirls away like absolute mad. And I'm like, I think it's time to get rid of that. This is the only PS4 we have that gets used. All the others have got PS5s or Xbox. And this PS4 just sits here fanning away like absolute mad. So I haven't made a home for it yet because wipe you down, Mr. Broden. Yes. Because my intentions is to get rid of it and replace it with the PS5. But yeah, I'm polishing the windowsill. Now in my head I'm like, I'm going to polish this to stop the cats from sitting up here because they're going to go flying. They're going to jump up there and skid. Yes, it's driving me insane. They will literally sit up there. Mud goes everywhere. It collects all their fur. I mean, the back door's wide open freely. They can go in and out. They sit outside on the front. They sit in every other window. But can you just please stop sitting on that one? Am I harsh? But it just irritates me because I sit on the sofa and I look out the window and all I can see is their bumhole prints, paw prints and fur. And I'm like, I wipe it down every day so it's polished on there now. And later on, when they come in, I'm going to watch them go flying. Yeah, it's going to be like my little entertainment thing. See how long it takes them to stop going up there. The back of my wall there, where I've still pulled all the wallpaper off and left it. So I can't decorate in here yet until I've got the wall sorted. So we had someone come around and have a look, and they think they know what the problem is. So get on with it is what I say. Get on with it, because I don't want any more damp. So I'm just giving it the quick going over, and I've got to run because I'm supposed to be down the post office. Anyway, there we go. Everything's much better, nice and fresh. Taking the last bin out and I'm off. Thank you all for watching. See you next time.